everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. You remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, got a real treat for you, man. Just a killer 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Resto-mod Roadster. Love this car, man. A buddy of mine, Scott, down in Tennessee, is the one who got me this car. This has actually been his driver. He's kept this car for a while. Matter of fact, he just told me on the phone, he goes, man, I hated selling that car. But you can only keep so many of them. You get yourself in trouble. Killer car. Love the color combination. Outstanding driver, guys. This is electric blue metallic. It's got all new leather interior in it. He has all the paperwork that's on the way, and he's got that in hand. He's got all the paperwork for the restoration. He said they started the resto in 2015 and completed it in 2019. It's got 766 miles on it, guys, and just gorgeous. I'm glad we got some sunshine. You get to see the color, and I mean, it's just one of those cars that it pops. It's got two-piece billet 17-inch American racing wheels on it. It's got Michelin Pilot ZR rated rubber all the way around it. New chrome. Of course, it's got that iconic 63 hood. Other than a couple little marks in the paint, there's not a whole lot to really nitpick, guys. I've seen one there. It's got a little paint blemish there. But great car. Scott said that one of the headlights is a little slow, but it's cammed up, so I think these are vacuum-driven headlights. Slick paint. Of course, it's got that canvas top. That's new. Killer car, man. Nothing like the side exhaust on a Corvette, man. I've even got my son hooked on that. He said that to me when we got this car in, man. He said, there is just nothing like a side exhaust mid-year. And this car's cammed up. Yeah, it's gonna get loud here, guys, sorry. C5 four-wheel disc brakes. Sorry, guys. Again, C5 four-wheel disc brakes. You can see it's got that two-piece American Racing custom wheel. Ah, this car's pretty, man. Love the color. I think we figured it out. It's actually a 65 327 cubic inch. They've got it cammed up. Does have the double hump heads on it. Edelbrock 4-barrel aluminum intake. It's got the ram's horn exhaust manifolds. HEI distributor. You see the chrome air cleaners and the Corvette finned aluminum valve cover. It's got a Be Cool aluminum radiator in it. Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. Of course, they've upgraded the master cylinder. Sunshine might have fooled me here. I got a little warmer, but freeze my hand off here. Power steering. Again, it's a frame-off restoration. Beautiful on the bottom. Yeah, I am a huge, huge fan of this car, guys. If you're looking for a nice vet, I think you're gonna love this one. Slick, slick car. New door handles. All new interior. New carpet. All new custom leather. That is really nice, very comfortable. Tilt column with a billet wheel. It's got the correct T-handle shifter in it. The gauges were all sent out and redone. The tach works. All the gauges are functional. The radio works. Even the clock works. You can see that dash up there is slick. Stock rear. It does have an aftermarket rear spring. Just a killer car, man. Again, very nice underneath as always. Always post pictures underneath the car. I get a lot of people who always say, man, how come you don't, a lot of people post 100 pictures. I'll tell you exactly why. I had a customer in here yesterday that come out and looked at a car that we have, and he said he likes the videos because I spend the time to show you the detail on the videos. He just traveled to look at a car. It's just a little dust or something there if you see that. And he really felt like that the people doctored up the photos. That's why I'm not a photo guy. I would much rather show you the detail in the video. Anybody can take photos and doctor them. You're not doctoring up a video. I've got new mats on the way for it as well. Again, those gauges are all rebuilt. Looks like it's got the stock glass in it. That's just a little dust in there too, guys. Killer sound. What a car, man. Hood opens up and closes nice. Look at that is. We got a belt squeaking a little bit. Fuel gauge, amp gauge. See the car holds great oil pressure, temp gauge works. I just put in that alternator. I think the blower motor works too. Radio works. That alternator might have been charging too. Wipers trying to work. Have to check them. Yep. He said they're a little slow. Give a little rev, Nathan. They do come up though. They're slow. You can see them starting. Yeah. Good. Go ahead and put it back down, Nathan. They're just a little slow. Keep going. You got to put them all the way down. There you go. Yep. LED fronts. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Nothing like that sound, man.
guys.